Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today on Borrowed Delights, I'm going to show you how to cook quinoa. Now, I've been eating quinoa in place of rice and pasta for some time now, and I absolutely love it. So I figured I'll just come on here and show you guys how simple it is to cook. Now, quinoa is referred to as the super grain because it is full of fiber and it has the highest amount of protein compared to any other grain. And it's also low in carbohydrates. So those are just some key highlights about quinoa. Of course, there's a ton of information online that you can check out for yourself. Now, before you even start to cook quinoa, you need to thoroughly rinse it because it does have a coating on it. And if it's not rinsed off, you will end up with a bitter tasting quinoa. So you really want to give it a good rinse. So once that's done, you're going to place your rinsed quinoa into your saucepan and turn your heat to medium-high. And you're going to toast your quinoa until all the water has evaporated. Now at this stage, you can go ahead and add whatever additional flavorings you'd like, such as a touch of sesame oil or some olive oil and freshly grated garlic, and toss that with the quinoa as it toasts so that it will absorb those flavors. Now you're going to add in your water, and you could use chicken stock, turkey stock, vegetable stock, whatever you want. And you're just going to bring this up to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it begins to boil, you're going to pop the lid on and turn the heat to the lowest setting. You're going to continue to cook your quinoa for about 15 minutes. And then once it's done, all you need to do is fluff it up with a fork and transfer it to a bowl for serving. And you can have quinoa for breakfast, lunch, supper. You can use it to make salads. It is super versatile. I hope you guys find this video helpful, especially those of you that are making that transition to quinoa. And please let me know in the comments section below any quinoa based recipes that you would like to see on this channel. I have a delicious quinoa chocolate cake recipe on my channel already, which I will link to in the description box below. It is everything. So I hope you guys will check that video out as well. But please let me know what other recipes that you would like to see on this channel, whether it is quinoa related or not. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.